things that will stop you making it on Pinterest. Or another way of looking at it, 3 things that if you do it will probably get your account banned. First of all, don't spam. Don't spam Pinterest. Don't just put loads and loads of rubbish onto Pinterest and just hope for the best. First of all, it's pointless because it'll just get ignored. So you waste your time and your energy, and ultimately you're wasting money. And second of all, eventually you'll probably get banned, or at least just annoy people, and you won't get any followers. Second, what not to do is make all your pins affiliate pins. So if every single thing that you put on there has an affiliate link in there, eventually you're going to get caught out. So the ratio that I would recommend is 1 to 7. I would say between 1 to 5 and 1 to 7. So for every 5 to 7 pins that you put on there, make the 7th one an affiliate link. Be strategic with this. So your first 7 pins, you want people to take an interest in your board. Your 7th pin, you really want to hit the nail on the head and get people to click on that link. So you want to think of strategies to do that. That's been clever, it's been wise, and it's also keeping Pinterest on your side and being a good Pinterester, if that's what they're called. And your product profile. Now your product profile doesn't want to be all crappy and rubbish and spammy with keywords everywhere. You want to take some time with your product profile. You want it to look good, attractive, high quality, and that says something true and real about yourself. But yeah, you do want followers, so you want some keywords. You want to really think about what you're going to put in there. Okay, next I'm going to show you a profile that really is not a good example, and I'm sort of surprised it's not been banned. Here is a good example of a sort of a spammy website, and I'm Pinterest account. So I'm surprised that he still has. I mean, you can see this guy's got 370 boards, crazy amount of pins and likes. But let's see what happens. I mean, this guy spends a lot of time on his account. But let's see what happens when we go to this, which to me seems like an obvious sort of ClickBank or that type of product. You click on it, you go, yeah, okay, that looks absolutely amazing, and blocked. So, I'm not sure how many of these products would be blocked. Be interesting to find out. But what's the point? What's the point of doing that? It's not going anywhere. So you may as well put your time and your energy into a product online that first of all looks really interesting, is worth your time, and is not just going to get blocked. There's no point in that. So spend your time, spend your strategy, the way what you're actually going to do to make money, and don't just bombard Pinterest with rubbish.